Hey guys, welcome to Ananya's Craft World. So I'm Ananya and in today's video I'm going to show you one slide pop-up card made by me, and the tutorial will be up on my channel very soon, so stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, click on the red subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So let's begin. So now I will be showing you the card. So as you can see, this is the card and I have made it on a jade blue or sea blue sheet of paper, and here I have sticked light blue sheet of handmade paper, and here we have a white pull-up. So let's see. So first I will be holding this and now I will be pushing this. So you will hold it like this and then just push it, so it will open. So our card looks like this. I am gonna hold it up for you guys. So here I have sticked again a handmade sheet. So this is a handmade embossed sheet and it's empty. You can decorate it as you want, and it looks like this. So I hope you guys like this card. So please like, subscribe and share, and do comment how was the video and if you have any video request. So bye guys, meet you in my next video.